In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your return and start over. If you need to reset your progress and remove everything you've entered so far, this process can help you return to a clean starting point. It's useful if you made several mistakes, selected the wrong filing options, or simply want to re-enter your information from scratch. Before you continue, just keep in mind that this action is meant to erase your current entries, so you'll want to be sure you're ready to begin again. Start by looking at the menu on the left side of the screen. In that left menu bar, click on Tax Tools. This section gives you access to several helpful options related to your return, including settings and maintenance tools that aren't part of the main entry flow. Once Tax Tools is open, select Tools. This will open a panel or pop-up with additional actions you can take. If you don't immediately see it, give the screen a moment to load and make sure the menu is fully expanded. The Tools area is where you'll find options for reviewing, managing, or resetting your work. From there, select Clear and Start Over. This is the option that removes the information you've entered and resets the return so you can begin again from the start. After selecting it, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm only if you're certain you want to reset all entries. This confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental deletion. Once confirmed, the system will clear your current information and take you back to the beginning, allowing you to re-enter everything step by step. If your goal is a full reset, this is exactly the option you want. After the reset is complete, you can start entering your information again carefully and in the correct sections. Taking your time during the second pass can help avoid needing another reset later. If you're unsure about any entries as you go, it's a good idea to review each screen before moving forward. That's all it takes to clear your return and start over using the Tools menu. Follow those same steps anytime you need a fresh start, and make sure you confirm the reset only when you're ready to erase your current progress.